Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send to another wallet. Now basically we'll talk about the two process. One is buying Bitcoin on Cash App and the second one is sending it to another wallet. If it is in the Cash App or any other wallet, doesn't really matter. So I'll show you the complete process of how you can do it. Now, first of all, we'll talk about how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App. Now, this is basically step one. So to do this, open your Cash App mobile device like Cash App application, and you will see an option like this one called investing. So just open the investing inside your mobile application and choose the currencies. You will see multiple currencies. Just click on Bitcoin and click on the option buy. Once you click on buy, they will ask you to enter the amount, like how much Bitcoin do you want to buy. You want to buy it in the USDT form or like whatever currency you have in your account. So just buy the Bitcoin and that will be automatically added inside your Cash App account. Once done, we'll talk about these like the second process, which is basically sending Bitcoin from Cash App to another wallet. So how can you do that? The process is basically pretty simple. So just click on sending Bitcoin to another wallet. First of all, just click on the Bitcoin. Basically, you have Bitcoin inside your wallet. So just click on Bitcoin. And once you click on Bitcoin, if you have some Bitcoins in your account, just you will see this option called send. Just click on the send button. And once you click on send button, they will ask you to enter the basically recipient wallet address. You can just scan the QR code, or you can, if the user have sent you the recipient address, you can just manually enter the wallet address as well. Once you enter the address, they will confirm it that every all the details, your the name of the account. If you want to send it, just click on send button, and once you click on send, it will be sent to the recipient. So the process is pretty simple. Hopefully you have understood, and easily now you can send your like a Bitcoin from Cash App to any other wallet. So that is all about how you can do it.